This video is for every entrepreneur who is struggling to increase his or her sales. These are 5 points that will improve your sales and that will let you to boost your business. Because if the business is not selling enough, then it will get stuck and will never ever improve. Number one, you have to understand your customers' business drive. Like, you have to develop a strategy that aligns with your customers' challenges and goals. You can conduct a research to understand these drivers and shape your marketing communications. Because of whenever you make a research and whenever you get any information about your customers, then you can design an amazing strategy that can help you to increase your sales. The second point is be present with clients and prospects. This point is emphasizing to build a great relationship with your clients or customers to gain more prospects. Because of as long as you build a positive relationship with your customers or your clients, then they will provide you a great feedback that can give you or that can attract you a new customers or prospects. So you have to be present about your clients. You have to become a great relationship builder. The third point is before you dive into tactics, ensure that your product or service meets the market's needs and stand out from your competition. Like, the best way that you can fit into market is to get information, is to be very tactical and to understand what's going on in the market. Number four, you have to be clear about your unique value proposition. Anytime you try your best to improve your unique value proposition and to clearly understand it, then this can help you to win the customer's loyalty and differentiate you from other competitors. Number five, you have to have a positive mindset.